Hi, my name is Erin Patterson. I graduated from Miami in 2006 with a major in exercise science. I then went to Indiana University to get my doctorate in physical therapy and graduated in 2009. After that, I began working at Peyton Manning Children's Hospital in Indianapolis as a pediatric physical therapist. I knew from a young age that I wanted to work with children in the medical setting. When I was 5 years old, I was in a pipe bomb accident and lost my left hand and left eye. I went through many months of therapy to learn how to regain function and to learn how to use my prosthesis. After that, I knew I wanted to work with children in order to maximize their function and meet goals that they and their parents thought were never possible. Now, I work with children and their families from infancy to 18 years old in both the inpatient or hospital settings and the outpatient rehab setting. I work with children with various diagnoses and illnesses such as cancer, traumatic brain injuries, cerebral palsy, spina bifida, Down syndrome, genetic disorders, and developmental delay. My job is extremely rewarding because I get to see children meet goals that they thought they could never meet, such as taking their first steps, sitting up for the first time after a surgery, playing on the playground with their siblings or peers, or even just being able to hold their head up. My job can be very tough at times as I work with children with varying diagnoses, sometimes that have challenges that they don't get to meet their goals or may not make it past a couple days. My most favorite part of my job is creating the relationships with my patients and families, and also seeing the joy that it brings to my patients and families when their child meets a particular goal. I was extremely surprised and shocked when I found out about this nomination. Of course, my husband Nathan didn't tell me he was doing this, but I want to thank him for his kindness and generosity, and I want to thank him for his kindness and generosity for nominating me for this award. I also want to thank him for all the support he has given me since we met at Miami in 2006. He has supported me through my undergraduate classes and my graduate classes to become a pediatric therapist. We got married in 2010 and welcomed our first daughter, Clara, in 2013, and are looking forward to welcoming our second child in March of 2015. I also want to thank my parents for encouraging me to attend Miami. My time at Miami is some of my most favorite memories. I also want to thank my parents for always supporting me, encouraging me, and keeping me going since I was a child to work towards my dreams and becoming a pediatric therapist. I also want to thank the Miami University Alumni Association for this wonderful nomination. I know there are so many Miami graduates out there that are doing wonderful things, but it just shows me that you care about those who are helping others, especially children with disabilities that are near and dear to my heart.